Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to recover your Brawl Stars account. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see this hamburger menu here on the top right corner, just simply click on it and then go to settings and then go to help and support. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this interface here. Just click on account, click on recover your account and then tell them that you have lost your account. And if your account is connected to a superset ID, it will be easier for you to recover it. But if you can't, you can just simply contact them. So as you can see, they are telling you to contact them. You have to just simply click on this blue bubble icon here, click on leave a message. Alright, so this is a bot here. You have to tell it what you want. Click on login and supercell ID issues. Click on recover my account. Okay, so what it's saying is that you need to know your ID. So if you have your ID, it will be much better. So click on continue. And if you know your player ID, and one more trick, if you don't remember your player ID, if you play with your friends will be able to see your ID. So that way you can just put the ID here and just paste it. I will just put a random ID here, for example. I'll just give them and tell them the name of your lost account. I will just type my name here. I'll just type a random name here. And if you remember your trophy count, how many trophies you had, it will be easier for them to verify that it's you. So I will just type a random name here, random number here. You have to put it accurately. And if you were a member of any club, you can just simply type it. I'm just typing any random name here. Okay, so I have, as I said, I just type random information. If you have valid information, they will be able to email you within 5 minutes, or it can take 48 hours or more. So that's how you can recover your account. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.